in continuation of the previous topic, previous coverage on Moodle LMS, we will see different demonstrations by which way we can automate teaching learning activities in Moodle LMS. In previous session, we have seen how to create account on Moodle Cloud, that is genomio.com. So we created one course with this name, FTP Blended Learning Feb 2021. And in site administration option, we have created one user. Now we will see which different activities and resources can be integrated in Moodle, by which way there will be student-teacher interaction. So as you can see, this is the teacher panel, and I have logged in to Moodle LMS as teacher. You can see at top right, this is my admin profile, teacher account, and here we can add different activities or resources, whatever we want to distribute, whatever we want to share to our students. So as you can see, there are so many modules available, so many plugins available under activities and resources. If we see what is basic difference between activity and resource, whenever we communicate to our students in multi-way criteria, whenever there is multi-way communication, two-way communication, then it comes under activity. For example, as a teacher, we are giving some assignment to our students. So teacher is uploading one assignment, teacher is giving some case study or homework to students, and students are able to view that assignment. Students are able to respond to that assignment. After receiving the assignment from students, teacher will view it, teacher will evaluate it, or its marking will be done. Then obviously after marking of that assignment, students should be able to view it. So it is multi-way communication. Teacher is sending the assignment, students are responding to that assignment, teacher is evaluating that particular task, students are able to view it, their grade book or their marks. So it is multi-way communication, two-way communication. If we cover another segment, that is synchronous communication, chat. For teacher-student interaction, nowadays, in traditional way, we are using WhatsApp, Telegram, or Signal, WeChat. So many applications are available, so many mobile apps are available. But rather than using these applications, these apps, we can use integrated chat engine of Moodle, you can see. So it is also an activity. It is also multi-way communication. There is real-time interaction between students and teachers. So in same way, choice. So we will discuss each and every segment one by one. So as you can see, quiz is there. Quiz of multiple types, whether it is MCQs or true false based questions, short answer type questions, matching questions. So different types of evaluations can be done using quiz module, using quiz activity. If we see what is basically resource, so it is one-way communication. Suppose as a teacher, I want to send some PowerPoint presentation, I want to send some study material to my students, I want to give some particular Excel sheet or PDF documents. So that is basically a resource. I'm giving some study material, I'm giving some teaching learning resource. So book, file, entire folder we can attach, or we can integrate some page. And within this option of page, we can integrate a video also, YouTube video or Daily Motion video. So if as a teacher, I want that my students should download this particular content, they should read this particular study material. It is basically a resource. I am giving them some resource. If I want to interact with my students, it will be an activity. So these are default activities and resources in Moodle LMS. But as in previous session also, we have seen that these extensions, these modules can be extended via Moodle plugins. So we will see one by one. So how to integrate additional modules. If I want to integrate attendance register, if we want to integrate video conferencing, so all modules are available. For that, we have to deploy Moodle on our own server. Okay, so first of all, we will see very basic functionality by which way our teacher can provide some teaching learning resource to its class, to the students. Okay, so in resource, you can see that. So first of all, I'm taking this page. Okay, this page, on click of this page. Now I want to integrate one YouTube video, for example, anything, view this video. Okay, and whatever content I want to share, you can see that it is providing us what you see is what you get editor, similar to MS Word, with different formatting options. View this video on, or whatever it is, whatever topic we want to give. Okay, and you can see we can format it, bullets, numberings, justifications, and so many paragraph formattings are available. And we can integrate some image also. So you can see here, insert or edit image. And if I want to attach some video file, in general, what we do, we send link of YouTube video by WhatsApp or by mail. Okay, so rather than using that process, we can integrate, we can embed YouTube within Moodle itself. So you can see insert or edit audio video file. Even I can record my lecture also. I can record audio. Okay, if I want to give some audio message, some audio lecture, some particular content in my own speech, that can be done. And you can see this record video. Automatically my webcam will be on, and I can deliver a video session, I can deliver a video lecture using this option. Okay. So we will see this option, insert media, and on click of video, we can integrate a video, YouTube video. So I'm taking anything. So suppose machine learning, just for an example, we are taking one YouTube video of machine learning that we want to integrate within Moodle. Okay, so any name we can take, any particular video. Suppose this video I want to integrate. So copy link address and paste here. You can see that we are not downloading any video. We are not using that link separately in Gmail or any other portal. We are using YouTube video link within Moodle itself and insert media. And you will see that Moodle, within Moodle LMS, this video is embedded and save and display. Save and display, and now we will be able to see this integration. Is it visible to all of you? Please confirm in chat. Is it visible and audible to all participants clearly? So you can see that this YouTube video is integrated. So whatever video link, whatever video we want to share from any portal, not only YouTube, but from any real-time channel, from any real-time portal, we can integrate. Now, as a teacher, I have sent one YouTube video. You can see this. So first of all, I will upload few resources as a teacher. Then I will log in as a student, and we will check by which way it is visible to the students. Okay, so add an activity or resource. So one more resource I am sharing here, and in resources you can see. Now suppose I want to share some file, I want to share some study material to my students, I want to share some PDF file, anything. Okay, on click of file, on click of file, and you can see download lecture notes or study material. Okay, so you can see we can attach a file here in whatever format. So suppose this is the Word file I want to share to my students and upload. So in this way we can share different types of study material, and regardless of the extension, regardless of file type and size, any content can be shared on this platform. Okay, and so it is an uploading process, and very soon you will see that this file will be attached on that particular course, and then we will check in a student profile by which way it is visible to the students. Okay. So now you can see that as a teacher, I have shared one YouTube video and this file, and in addition to this we can use some other resources also. So suppose I want to integrate one chat engine. So you can see this chat. Now as a teacher, I want to create a chat engine, I want to create a chat room that is specific to this particular course. As in workshops also, as in FDPs also, we communicate with a number of participants. So we can create a chat room within Moodle itself, rather than working on separate groups, separate chat groups on Telegram, Signal or WhatsApp. Okay, In this way, each and everything will be on common platform, on centralized platform. So one chat engine we are integrating here, and chat room FDP. Okay. So dear, so anything communicate your queries on this chat room. Save and display. Now, as a teacher, as a course manager, I have created one chat room, one study material, one file I have shared, and along with that, one video we have uploaded. Okay. Now, 4 segments we have integrated in this course. Now, I will log in as a student so that I can check by which way it is visible to the student, in which way it will be visible to the student, by which way student can download it. So currently I am teacher in Chrome, so this is my Chrome web browser. You can see. Now to become student, to log in as a student, I will use different web browser. I'm repeating that point again, as there is one query, how to add video. So add an activity or resource. So in chat, one participant is asking how to add video. So in resources, so video is a resource, that is a study material. Okay. In page, suppose, okay, video, for example, blockchain. Suppose one video I want to share. So this is the title. Now from YouTube or any source, blockchain technology, I'm searching some video, and you can see this copy link address, and in content you can see this add, insert or edit audio video file. On click of this video, I have pasted that link here and insert media. Now as a teacher I have uploaded. Okay. Is this point clear to all of you, how to insert video? Okay. Now as a teacher I have uploaded, I have integrated 2 videos, one study material, one file I have attached, and one chat room we have created, one chat room. Now this is my teacher profile, this is my teacher dashboard or course manager dashboard. Now we will see the panel, by which way it will be visible to the students, by which way, by which interface student will be able to view and download these contents. So to become student, I will log in on different web browser. So I'm opening Opera browser, because in Chrome browser I am teacher. To work as a student, to log in as a student, I'm using Chrome browser. Otherwise I will have to log out from my teacher profile. Okay, now you can see this on Opera web browser. I'm student, and you can see at top right, my name is Amit. Okay, so FDP blended learning, and my name is Amit, and I am registered in this course as a student. Okay, so on click of this course, DP blended learning. Okay, is this visible to all participants? Is this visible to all participants? That
yes, sir.
I have logged in as a student in Opera browser. Why I have used Opera browser? So that I can log in as a student. And you can see that in student dashboard, in student panel, different options. Dear participants, kindly mute your mic. Your mics are on. Please mute your mic. Okay, thank you. So you can see that in student profile, in student login of Amit, I can check different content which are shared by teacher. Okay, and along with each and every study material, there is a checklist. So as a student, I can enable or disable, I can check or uncheck whether this thing is done or not. So it will it will be very easy for student to verify that out of n number of tasks, which tasks are done. Now, first of all, I will view this video as a student. So view this video. Now I'm checking which video my teacher has shared to me. So you can see YouTube video is integrated within Moodle itself, and you can see this. Is it visible to all of you? Okay, so you can see that within Moodle itself, this video is running, and we can maximize it. We can view it in full screen mode, and it will be in permanent record that this particular video was shared by the teacher. Okay. So this is first video. Now as a student, I want to see another video that was shared by the teacher. On click of this video, blockchain technology. For example, I want to see this. So this is another video that is shared by the teacher. So you can see that. Is this visible to all participants? That YouTube video is integrated within Moodle itself, and students will be able to view it. Okay. Now, as a student, currently I am a student with the name Amit, and I have done these two activities. So I will click here. So just to remember that I have done this task. Okay. Now I want to see as a student, okay, some study material is shared to me by my teacher. I want to download this content. So on click of this, download lecture notes. So what is that? So this is a file that will open. Okay. If this is PDF file, it will be downloaded. If it is MS Word file, it will be downloaded. So any type of content can be shared. Now chat room. Now as a student, now we will see by which way student and teacher will interact with each other on chat room.
तुम्हारे इसमें हॉस्टल में लगता है
On chat
बाहर भी नहीं जाना ठीक है यानी रुड़की में लेगा आपके घर के आसपास
Dear participants, please mute your mic.
दो कैंप जरूरी बेटा हाँ 2 कैंप जरूरी 3 साल के अंदर
I request Mr. Arav Ghadwal to kindly mute your mic.
क्या होता है बेटा जब आप किसी कंपटीशन में या पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं तो इसके नंबर मिलते हैं 5 एक्स्ट्रा
Yes, sir, continue.
Okay. So now in teacher profile, now again I am in teacher dashboard on Chrome web browser, and we will see by which way student and teacher will interact with each other in chat engine, in chat room, without using any third-party application, without using any external tool, any external app. Within Moodle itself, we will see chat communication between teacher and student. So as a teacher, now you can see I'm admin user in Chrome. This is my teacher profile, and I will click on chat room of this FDP. So Moodle can be used for classroom teaching or for different types of events, whether it is workshop, STC, or different types of interactions. So you can see that as a teacher, now click here to enter chat now. So this is the chat room, chat window of teacher. Okay, and it is looking similar to traditional chat applications. So admin user, in every chat application, we can see how many users are online, which other users are online. So you can see up to now only admin user is online in chat. Okay, up to now student is also online on Moodle, but student is not logged in your chat engine. Now I will log in on chat as a student, and as soon as I will log in to chat engine as a student, my name will be projected here. So to become student, I will move to Opera browser, and in Opera web browser, on click of chat room. So this is the chat room of this FDP, and now as a student, I am entering in chat room. Now you can see that as soon as I have opened my chat room as a student, it is visible that admin is online. It means teacher is online. Now at one side, in left hand side, I am teacher, and you can see that in teacher chat room also it is visible that this student is online. So Amit, this particular name is visible to teacher, and at right hand side it is visible to student that teacher is also online. So two windows I have opened in parallel. Left hand side I am teacher, right hand side I am a student. Now we will see by which way this communication will go on. Now as a student I will message to my teacher. Okay, okay, please send today's lecture notes. Okay, now you can see that as a student, in right hand side window I'm sending message to my teacher. As soon as I will click here send, it will be projected here. You can see this. Teacher will get chat message that some student is asking some particular information. Now as a teacher I am replying to my student. Okay, now will send by evening. So as a teacher I'm replying to my student from left hand side window, send, and you can see that. So how much it is effective? I'm not using any third party application. There is no need to use any third party mobile app. Within Moodle itself, this chat application is available. This chat engine is available. Okay, so any file can also be shared. So you have seen that how much it is easy to work with chat based application, to work with chat engine in Moodle LMS. Is this clear to all participants up to now? How to share YouTube videos, how to share study material, and by which way chat communication can be done. Up to now, is it clear to all of you? Please confirm in chat. Okay. Now we will discuss another point. In last session, when I covered Moodle in previous session, there was one query from a participant that how to upload bulk users. Okay, how to upload bulk users. So up to now we have seen that in this particular course, only single user is uploaded. There is a single user, that is Amit. Okay, in this particular session I am Amit as a student and I am teacher. Now we will see how to upload bulk users at a time. Suppose I am having 200 participants in my FDP or 100 students in my class. I want to upload all 100 students at a time, or I want to upload 1 lakh students at a time in this course. By which way it can be done? Okay. Now we will see how to enroll multiple users in this course in one shot, in one click. If you remember that when we created this course, we have given this course a short name. This short name FDP 2011. 20211. Okay, this is the course ID that we created. Is it visible to all participants? This course ID, this is the course short name. Now I will use this course short name to upload bulk list of users in this particular. Okay. Multiple.
ठीक है ये
Now
आपका है ना
I'm putting it down separately. 2011. Okay.
ठीक है मैम पूछ लो
Format to upload bulk list of users or to add users in this course, we will again come to site administration. We will come to site administration in users. So in previous session we discussed that add a new user. Okay, this option was covered. Now we will see by which way multiple users can be enrolled in this course at a time. So upload users. On click of upload users, it will ask me to upload a CSV file. It will ask me to upload Excel sheet. There is a specific format to upload Excel sheet. Okay, so I'm showing that format. So this is the file. Okay, this is the format. Username, password, first name, last name. Okay, this so I'm opening it in this way so that I can read your messages also, whether you are getting it or not. Okay, is this visible to all participants? Suppose I'm having some students. Okay, one student is FDP student 2. Okay, and default password I want to give it 111. Okay, its name is some particular name. Okay, for example Amit. Okay, or Anil, or whatever it is. Okay, X Y, and its email ID is x@gmail.com, whatever it is. Okay, and this is the course name. This course name must be same which we created, which we mentioned at the time of creating the course. Are you getting what I mean to say? If I here, this course name must be same that we mentioned, that we used at the time of creating the course. And what is the role? Student. Okay, now I want to add multiple users. Student 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and all. So what I will do, I will tell all my students, all my participants that your username is this. Okay, this may be their roll number. Okay, suppose this is the roll number. This is the set of roll number of multiple. So I will tell all of my students that your roll number is your username, and same is your password. Okay, as okay, suppose this is their username. So I will tell all my students that your roll number or enrollment number is your username and your password is this. Okay, and simply log on to your profile. Is this format clear to all participants? Username, password, first name. So this list can be taken from data entry staff, from clerical staff. If you want to access it in Excel format, okay, in MS Excel format also it can be done. It's up to you. So obviously it will be better for all of you that okay, you can take the list of students from clerical staff, from support staff, but this course must be same. otherwise students will not be enrolled in the course. So this course name should be same. Is it clear to all? So this is, so what you can do, you can tell your participants, your students, that your enrollment number or your email ID is your username. So whatever unique thing you find, that you can allocate as username, and a fixed password we can give, and then you can tell them that you will have to change your password after logging in. Is it clear to all? Yes or no? So this is the format of bulk users. Now I will upload this list. Now I am uploading this list. In site administration, choose a file, upload file, and in upload file option, I will use this. Okay, so this blended and bulk users. So bulk and upload this file. Is this visible to all of you? That at a time CSV sheet is uploaded, and now you can see that this message we will get, that multiple users duplicate address. Okay, so you can see that it is showing the message that each and every user should be having unique email ID. Email ID of two students can't be same. So I'm giving some uniqueness here. I'm putting something so that there should be some unique content, because same email ID can't be given to all the students. Okay, so upload this file. So whether this is a list of 10 students or 10,000 students, at a time all students will be uploaded. Upload users. Okay, and you can see that this whatever user is already added. So users created 4 and continue, and you will see it. There is no specific format. This particular format should be used. Generally, we use Excel sheet. So this is the Excel format. Here we can put name of all the participants, all the students, but their course name should be same. Okay. Now I will show you whether these participants are integrated or not. Is this visible to all of you? Is this visible that in same course all these users are added? Is this visible to all participants that multiple users we have added in one shot? Whether these are 10 students, 20 students, or n number of students. Okay, any number of students can be uploaded at a time. Okay, is this clear to all participants? How to upload bulk list of users? Okay, now we will see other features, other modules of Moodle LMS. What we can do in this? So add an activity or resource. Add an activity or resource. Now, up to now, we have seen chat engine and sharing of videos. Along with that, how to share some particular file. Now we will see by which way we can give some assignment or choice or different other options. So you can see this choice. So as you might have seen that Many times we need to ask elective subjects or optional subjects from our participants, from our students. So that thing can be automated using Moodle LMS. So I am using that choice option, and in choice we will integrate it elective. Okay, simply mention elective subject, okay, or choose your elective subject in this for this term, for this semester. Okay. Suppose we want to ask some elective subjects. Okay, in which particular way it will be visible. Options will be visible horizontally or vertically. Vertically. Okay, whether choices can be updated or not. Okay, more than one choices are allowed or not. So yes. Okay, and suppose now I'm giving option blockchain, robotics, okay, machine learning, whatever it is. Okay, different options we can add here. Multiple options we can add here. Okay, add 3 fields and save and display. Save and display. Now you can see that we have used, we are asking some optional subject or some option from our participants, from our students. Now I will log in as a student in Opera browser so that I can give my options. I can choose some elective. Now to become student, I will move to Opera browser, and now you can see that in this browser I am student, and as soon as I have logged in or refreshed my dashboard, it is visible that my teacher is asking some elective subject for this semester. So you can see that choose elective subject for this semester, and click here. I'm clicking here as a student so that I can give my options. I can give my electives or whatever is asked by my teacher. So on click of this, and now it is giving me same options that we have put as a teacher, that we have specified as teacher. So now, for example, I'm taking these 2 options. So you can see that how much it is easy to get some options, to get some electives, or it can be used for feedback also, for teacher feedback, for sessions feedback, or for brainstorming also. Okay, blockchain technology and machine learning, save my choice. Now as a student, I have submitted my options, and it is in my profile. It is visible in my dashboard also that which options I have selected, which electives I have selected. Now I will move to my teacher dashboard to check which students have submitted their electives. So up to now in this browser I am student. To become teacher, I will move back to my Chrome browser. This is my Chrome browser, and I will refresh my working panel. So you can see here, and it is visible that earlier it was 0 response, but now it is visible that there is 1 response. And in tabular format, you can see that it is visible in tabular format to the teacher that which particular option is taken by which particular student. So blockchain Amit, this machine learning Amit. So total number of responses, there are no students in robotics till now. there are no students in AI till now. So currently we are working on only one student and one teacher. Okay, but if we are actually deploying this course for n number of students, then this Excel sheet can be downloaded. This particular data can be exported in Excel format or text format. So you can see download in Excel format. Suppose we have collected data from multiple students about their choice, about their electives. We can download it in Excel sheet, and you can see this. It is visible that total number of participants, total number of students, and which student has responded. So you can see only Amit has responded, and these students which we created, these students have not answered yet. So we can compile this particular data. We can keep this data for permanent record. Okay. Otherwise, what happens? We have options from each and every student. Okay. But currently, I'm logging in with one student profile and one teacher profile. That's why it is showing that other students have not answered. But Amit has answered. But in this case, I am Amit, who is a student as well as I am teacher also. That's for demonstration purpose. Okay. Is this clear to all participants up to now? Please confirm in chat. Is this clear to all? And how much it is looking difficult or easy to work with? Now we will see another option. We will see another option in Moodle LMS. That is one of the very important tasks. That is one of the very important integration in teaching learning, which we call as assignment or homework or home activity or any case study. Suppose we want to give some assignment to our students. By which way a teacher can send assignment? We will see how to set the timeline of that assignment, which type of response can be received from students in that assignment or homework or case study. So again, we will click on add an activity or resource. On click of add an activity or resource, we can see that first option, the first segment is available as assignment. Now I want to give some assignment, some homework or some case study or some home activity. So assignment. On click of assignment, it is asking assignment name. Suppose I'm giving it title assignment 1. And what is the description of assignment 1? Write a case study on blockchain technology with reference to e-governance. For example, this is the statement. This is the assignment I want to give to my students. Okay. I can attach some files also. Suppose I'm giving some assignment related to research, related to statistical data analysis. I can attach data sets also. For example, I'm giving some assignment on machine learning, on deep learning, on statistical data evaluation. I can give them some Excel sheets, some data sets. Okay, perform random forest approach on this particular data set attached here with. Implement convolutional neural networks, RNN, on the attached data set. So I can attach some additional files also. Otherwise, here we can specify a statement. Now, when this particular assignment will be activated, so from today itself, allow submissions from. So from today itself, students can submit. Students can upload their assignments. What is the due date? Due date is, for example, I'm giving them 2 days only. So I'm giving them 14th Feb and 4 o'clock. 14. On 14th Feb, 4 o'clock evening, the link to submit the assignment will be disabled. As you might have seen in different online applications, online forms, that at a particular date and time, that link is disabled. So at specific timeline, link will be disabled. Now, what is the submission type? Whether students will be able to upload files or not. So students will be able to upload the files in PDF format, in Excel format, okay, or they will be able to write within the text area. If they are able to type within text area, so within browser itself, they will be given a text area in which they can type, okay, online text and word limit. So obviously we should specify word limit. For example, I'm giving them 2000 words. This assignment should be submitted in 2000 words. And if they are uploading the file, then only one file should be uploaded. Maximum number of files to be uploaded, 1. And if they are uploading the file, if they are attaching the file, what will be the maximum file size? For example, I'm giving them 1 MB. Maximum 1 MB file should be uploaded here. Okay, so different restrictions we can put. Otherwise, students will start uploading huge files of very big space, very large memory. Okay, accepted file types. If they are uploading the files, then whether it should be a PDF file or Excel sheet or HTML file or Word file. So if I want to enable only Word file, so document files or PPT, so in whatever format I want to get their reply, we can enable it. Okay, and what is the grade? So many options. What is the grading? Suppose this assignment is of 20 marks, 20 points, maximum 20 points. Okay, and whether it is a blind grading or not. So we can enable or disable it. Okay, and save and display. Now teacher has submitted the statement of assignment. And how many participants are there? Total 10 participants. Total 10 students are there in this course. And up to now, no student has submitted its response. What is the due date? 14th Feb, 4 p.m. How many time is left? 2 days, 10 hours. Now, I will log in as Amit, as a student, so that I can respond to this assignment. We will see by which way student will be able to view this assignment and how to upload the response to this particular assignment. Now to become student, I will move to Opera browser. This is my Opera browser, and here I am Amit. And on click of my course, I can see that assignment 1 is sent. Assignment 1 is available with me. That is sent by teacher. So as a student, I will see what is inside this assignment and what is the last date, and I will respond to this assignment. Assignment 1, I'm clicking on this assignment as a student. And It's visible to the student that submission status is no attempt, and what is the statement of assignment? This is the same statement of assignment that I have to solve, that I have to respond. Write a case study on blockchain technology with reference to e-governance, and how much time is left. Now you can see that this option is available to student. Add submission. It means student can reply to this assignment. Now as a student, I will reply to this assignment. I will upload my response. Click on add submission. Now you can see that this is the online text in which I can write within 2000 words. Okay, this is the online text, or I can upload a file. So both options are given to me by my teacher, that write a case study on blockchain with reference to e-governance. Either I can write in 2000 words, or I can upload, or I can use both of these options. Okay, suppose I am giving my reply here. I'm typing something e-governance and blockchain integration can be done for security and privacy. Okay, simply I'm writing something, or I'm having some large content. So I have writing one statement just for demonstration, and one file I'm uploading. For example, now one file I'm uploading here along with some text, because both options are given to me. So I will take some random files from my system. So this is some file in my system. I'm uploading it just for an example. Now student has written something and uploaded something in response to that assignment. Save changes. Now in student profile, in student dashboard, this status is changed, submitted for grading, but not graded so far. And it is visible to student that this is the file that we have uploaded, and this is the content that we have written in that assignment. Now I will become teacher. I will log on as a teacher in Chrome browser, so that I can check this assignment and I can give some marks, because this assignment will be complete only if its submission is done, its marking is done, its grade book is complete. So we will see the entire process. Now I will move to my teacher profile, and this is my teacher profile where I am course manager, admin, and I will refresh. Currently you can see that participants 10, submitted 0. As soon as I will press refresh, I will refresh this page, and this 0 is updated to 1. It means one student has uploaded the assignment. One student has responded to this assignment. Now as a teacher, I want to see that student. I want to see the response of that student. View all submissions. Now as a teacher, I want to see which student has submitted the assignment. Now you can see that other students have not submitted. In other, no submission, no submission. In Amit, submitted for grading. And I want to see the content. You can see that it is visible to teacher that what is the online text written by the student and what is that file. This is the file. I can download this file. I can check whether this is correct or not. Okay, so now I have checked this assignment as a teacher, and I will grade it. Now I will give this assignment some marks. On click of grade, you can see that here in right hand side, grading, this grade panel is available. I want to give this particular student 15 marks. Okay, after checking this attachment. Okay, your assignment, and I'm giving some comments also is okay, but should be improved next time. So as a teacher, I am giving some comments along with marks. Save changes. Okay. Now as a teacher, I have submitted my response. I have submitted my evaluation. So obviously, students should be able to view how many marks are achieved, how many marks are obtained in that particular assignment. Now, I will log in to my student profile. This is my student profile. And in this student dashboard, in student profile, I will refresh. I'm refreshing my student profile, and you can see that at bottom it is visible to the student that now you can see that at top right I am Amit, student, that 15 marks are obtained, and which comments are given by the teacher. Your assignment is okay but should be improved next time. Okay, and you can see this. Now if teacher has enabled the option to improve this assignment, we can click here, student can click here on edit submission. It means revise the submission. If at the time of creating the course, at the time of creating the assignment, teacher has disabled that only single attempt is there, only single attempt should be there to attempt this particular assignment, to respond to this assignment, then this option will not be available. Okay, so by this way we can integrate assignments, we can work with assignments. So teacher has submitted the statement of assignment or case study, student has responded with some text and file, teacher has evaluated, student is able to view its grade book. So this is an activity, it is two-way communication, it is not a resource. If we are giving some book, if we are giving some study material, that is a resource. Now in teacher dashboard we can see so many options, so many teaching learning resources we have shared, and teacher can download the logbook also, teacher can download the data set also. So this particular data, you can see that this get selected, so you can see that download. Okay, the complete data set can be downloaded. So all view grade book, so you can see that this is the grade book. In assignment 1, 15 marks to the student and total. Suppose we are having multiple assignments, assignment 1, assignment 2, assignment 3, and in total, in cumulative way, what is the total score of that particular student? It will be visible at last in summation. Okay, grade history, outcome report, single report. So multiple types of reports we can generate. Grade history from which to which particular date. Suppose I want to check last 2 months grade book, last 3 months grade book, only last week grade book. Suppose we have taken 4 to 5 assignments in multiple segments of dates, in multiple slots of schedule, we want to check grade of particular students, we can do it. Okay, grade history, import, export options are available. We can export this complete data set. So export, format options, download. Okay, so by this way we will be able to work with it. And is this clear to all participants? Is this clear to all participants up to now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So as far as other options are concerned, we will take these options in next session after the break at 11:30. So now, ma'am, should we have a break of 15 minutes?
Yes, yes, sir, sure.
Okay. So at 11:30, we will continue with some other content, and I will show you how to use different other modules. Actually, in Moodle, thousands of modules are available. So we will cover few of these modules because of time constraint. Okay. But after viewing all these options, you will be able to work. Okay. I will give you complete manual. Few options I will tell in next session, how to integrate additional modules, and then you will be able to customize it. And in parallel to Moodle, we will see some cloud-based platforms also for online evaluation, which will give us fast data collection, quick data collection from our students.
Okay, fine, sir. We'll meet again at 11:30.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.